Hey everybody and welcome back. If your Roblox is not working on your PC and you are looking out how to fix that, in this video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's get started. We can start by restarting everything. We can start by restarting our PC. If not, there's even our Wi-Fi. Look out for your Wi-Fi and you can turn it off and turn it back again. Even restart your router and try accessing your Roblox. Apart from that, you can close Roblox completely. So go to your task manager, hit enter, and once you hit enter, find Roblox. If you find it, right click on it, select the option of end task for Roblox, and you can reopen the Roblox once again. Apart from that, you can clear out the Roblox cache. Press Windows plus R for that, and there just type in %local app data and type in %/Roblox and hit enter. And you will be finding all of your files here. You can look out for the cached files. You can delete everything inside the Roblox folder here, and then restart your Roblox again. Reopen it. Apart from that, you can reinstall Roblox properly. So for that, you can go to your control panel, type in control, and open it up. And then once you find up your control panel, you just need to look out for your programs. So find programs, usually in category you will be finding it, and under programs, look out for programs and features, and look out for Roblox here. Find it up, right click on it, select the option of uninstall, and then reinstall the Roblox from its official site once again on your device. And apart from that, if you have turned on any kind of antivirus, you can turn it off for a second and then try accessing Roblox. If it works, you can add Roblox to exclusions, but you can turn it on back again. And apart from that, you can even update your graphic drivers. So go to Windows plus X, go to your device manager, hit enter. And within your device manager, what you may do is find Roblox here as well. I mean your display adapter, and find your graphics. Right click on it, select update, and update your drivers. And if you do not have any graphics, you can update. You can use Intel, NVIDIA, AMD, and update your graphic drivers as well. Probably those are some of the solutions. At last, you can even try it running as administrator. Right click on it, select the option of run as administrator, and try accessing it. Usually those are the methods you can follow up to fix that issue. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.